Boston ripping rollers. I got my young birds out. The majority of them are kitting together pretty well. Oh, they broke up. Yeah, they were. The majority of them were kitting together pretty good. Wow, look at those models. Look at that model. Young birds putting it together. Look at the models. Those red models, there they are right there. Yeah, they're doing pretty good for young birds. I still have a bunch that didn't go out. I don't like to push them though, you know. They'll go out when they're ready. Who knows, some might didn't get enough food. But some are going through a molt. I'm in the sun doing this, so I mean, these youngsters this year are crushing it for the spin. They're coming in really early, so they should have some good spinning qualities. The lavenders are spinning nice. That white family's really good. The brown spread family's really good. They're really doing good. The yellows are doing good too. That yellow model can spin really nice. Yeah, my model family can rip. Excellent birds. I might be getting rid of the parents to all these birds too, to keep these birds as breeders in my new house. They're like 4.5 months old right now. My oldest bird in this kit is maybe 5 months. They're riding their tails, they're doing that quick snap and riding their tails pretty deep. They're all over the place now because of the train. They broke up. They're all over the place. I mean, I finally got them up in the air. That one's going way down there. Yeah. They're broken in pretty good. There's that white family. I can catch a couple of these whites. They're riding their tails and shit, doing the quick snaps. Yeah, they went over here. I called them in yesterday. They were like, and they were in the sky, and they came right down. Those models can spin their rocks off. I gave some to Vinny in Maine, some of the models, and he said they were spinning nice, but the hawk got them out there. Check out some of the real little ones here. Yeah, I got numerous colors here. I thought they were all going to be white, but they got some color in them. This one looks like it's going to be like a little saddle type bird. I don't know what this one's going to be. This one's pretty dark. Yeah, 3 youngsters. I got a cock bird that has like 3 hens, and this is what happened. This was 6 eggs, and only 3 of them hatched. I think it was like 1 from each hen that hatched. Yeah, pretty messed up. And this is the cock that started it all. He's the one with all the hens. But he's got the solid whites again. Oh, this might have a little color in it. Yeah, this one might have a little lavender in it. Or red. All 5 of those birds are from him. Yeah. I don't see any more youngsters from here. That's a South African bird. It's a South African, the ash red, with the white from my lavender family. Indigo, lavender, red saddle over there, like bald head type bird. And there's those models. That's why you'll see a lot of models. They really spin good. The family of models I have. There's one there too, lavenders. Dan Marino called me, told me he's got some more lavenders for me. I'm gonna add them in. I already have that plume stock, but they spin good, so, you know, I like to keep them around, the lavenders. You know, Eddie's father and Chet, they're that plume stock. My birds are going through a molt pretty bad. Yeah, they're doing well. The youngsters are all beefed up. My laces, Egg should be hatching pretty soon. Oh, yeah. I got a lace there. So I finally got a little lace youngster. All these eggs must be hatched. I took the yellow youngster because they had one. I put it with this bird here. See how these youngsters are doing. Wow, what did I do? I must have mixed them. Little bald head. And I don't know what that's gonna be. I thought that was yellow. I must have moved another egg. The marbles should be hatching any day. I check the spreads out. Yeah, they got two youngsters. I mean, color birds, you never know what you're gonna get, you know? Alright, baby. Easy. This is the Kumaro and numerous families mixed in here. Plona, Cook, a little Fireball, Turner, and I made it to this Kumaro hen. She should be coming down on eggs soon. This is Rick Meat White Hen. Oh, you got crap on you. These eggs look like they're gonna hatch any day. And that's Eddie's Plona. Beautiful fucking cockbird. Oh, excuse me, beautiful cockbird. The Lavender family with some Turner and Cook. Checking these eggs out. One's hatching. The egg's cracking right there. So these should be out real soon. Yeah. I gotta check these birds up on the top. I'm moving around a lot better from the heart attack. They put those stents in. These little munchkins hatched. Oh, nice, they just hatched. Okay. Yeah, that little one right there is still wet. Just hatched. Get him back up here. Yeah, I think this will be like the last round. Nice pair. This Eddie's father's bloodline. youngsters in there. Okay. Yeah. And my red checkers, I got a light one. That's the light, that's the hen. And the darker one's the cock sitting on the eggs here. Then I got these youngsters here that I'm breaking in. They've been out here since they were smaller than this one here. I mean, their tails were like maybe a ½ inch when I started putting them in the cage. Once I got the last crew out, I put these ones in. Yeah, but I think this is the last round. Maybe. I want to have 6 youngsters from each pair, so I'm going to have a lot of youngsters. And I hope all these youngsters do good. But I got to get in the house. My dog aggravating the wife. This is Boston Ripping Rollers. Everybody have a nice day. And be safe out there. Bye.